Where are non-compete agreements enforceable? Have you ever wondered where non-compete agreements actually hold weight? These agreements can be tricky, and knowing their enforceability is key for both job seekers and employers. Non-compete agreements are contracts that limit an individual's ability to work in a similar field after leaving a job. They aim to protect a company's confidential information and trade secrets. But here's the catch. The enforceability of these agreements varies by state. Each state has its own laws regarding non-compete agreements. This means that what is enforceable in one state might not be in another. For instance, California has a long-standing ban on non-compete agreements. If you are in California, you can freely pursue a job in your field without worrying about a non-compete clause. On the other hand, states like New York are currently considering legislation to ban these agreements altogether. Some states, like North Dakota and Oklahoma, also have strict restrictions on non-compete agreements. In Minnesota, recent changes have made them largely unenforceable for employees and independent contractors, with a few exceptions. So, if you are looking for a job in one of these states, you might not have to worry about non-compete clauses at all. Interestingly, certain professions have specific rules. For example, healthcare professionals in states like Louisiana and Maryland face unique restrictions on non-compete agreements. This means that if you are a doctor or nurse, you might have different rules to navigate than someone in a tech job. Understanding these differences is essential, especially when preparing for legal interviews. Being aware of how non-compete agreements work in various states can showcase your knowledge of legal nuances. This can be a great talking point in interviews and can help you stand out as a candidate. Additionally, knowing the enforceability of non-compete agreements can aid in career development. If you are transitioning jobs, understanding these agreements can help you negotiate better employment contracts. You want to ensure that you are not signing away your future opportunities. Lastly, keep an eye on federal developments. The Federal Trade Commission has proposed a rule that could change the game for non-compete agreements nationwide. If this rule is enacted, many existing agreements could become unenforceable, reshaping the employment landscape. In summary, the enforceability of non-compete agreements is not a one-size-fits-all situation. It varies widely across the United States, with some states imposing strict bans while others allow them with certain conditions. Being informed about these legal differences is vital for both job seekers and employers.